And good morning. It's me, Dr. Polly Heil-Mealey with Abundant Health and Wellness. And this is another question that you should be asking when you come to see me. How does bioenergetic medicine relate to blood work? That's an excellent question. I'm so glad you asked. A lot of times people come in and they do not bring their blood work because they think that blood work only belongs with traditional medicine, and if you are a holistic healer that you don't pay attention to the blood work. Well, that's not true. Energy frequencies, as we've discussed earlier, are the basis of cellular response, and we need to know where you are. We need to know that you are at optimum. Your blood chemistry, which is what you are showing me with your blood work, tells me how far off optimal your energy frequencies are. So we have tools here in the clinic where we can actually take your blood work, plug it in, and we're able to see where your values are out of optimal. Now, this is important. On your blood work, you're going to say glucose. Your glucose is going to be 99. This is perfect, okay? The reference range for your blood work on a medical test will say that if you are under 100, you're perfect. Well, that's what the medical doctors say. And why do they say that? Because if you're over 100, they're going to diagnose you as what? As a diabetic. And so then they're going to prescribe some medication for you. But do you know, if your blood sugar is less than 70, you have a problem on that. Now, your medical doctor is not going to do anything about that because the reference range just is under 100, you're good to go. When I'm looking at holistic reference ranges, which are a more narrow bandwidth, we see that when you get out of that narrow optimal bandwidth, you are trending toward a disease. Now, you may still be in the norms on a medical test. That means you're not into the disease process. Now, why is that important? Well, it's important for a number of reasons. A medical doctor is going to look at your blood work. If everything is within norm, they're not going to recommend anything happen. For me, when you come and see me, if you are out of optimal, then I know you are trending toward a disease process. We can actually reverse that process so you never end up having to get medication or that kind of thing. So it's really important that you bring your blood work because your blood work gives us an indication of where you are on the bioenergetic scale.